Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my Hotshot Trucking business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is I'm just going to pretty much just go through about 2 or 3 different updates that I've made to my template just to make sure that it is up to date for the new year coming up in 2023. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So the first update that I've made to my Hotshot Trucking business plan template is that I updated the industry research. As we all know, an important component of a business plan, whether it be for Hotshot Trucking or any other industry, is to have up-to-date information included in the business plan. So what I did is, or what I've done, is I do have a subscription to IBIS World, and IBIS World is an industry leader in industry research. And so what I did is I researched local freight trucking industry. I gathered some information, summarized it, and I updated the industry research section for the Hotshot template. So some of the information that I updated for the Hotshot business plan template are the revenues, the historical growth, the growth rate projected for the next 5 years, profits, wages, and the number of competitors in the industry. So we do have now updated information in the Hotshot business plan template. And the next update that I did is I expanded the research. So I went out, like I said, and I did the research, did my research with IBIS World. And what I also included is a product and service segmentation. So now we're able to show in the business plan template how the services are broken down in that industry. So it's a little bit more information. It's not a lot, but it is a little bit more meat in the bone to just show that you've done more research than is typical for a business plan. All right, the next thing that I did is in the financial model for the Hotshot business plan template, what I've done is I've made the pro forma profit and loss for the first 12 months customizable on a month-to-month basis. So previously, once you enter your first year revenue growth, what my financial model would do, it was divide that first year growth by 12, and then I would grow the revenues 1/12 of that growth rate on a monthly basis. Now what you're able to do is you're able to go to the profit and loss tab, and you're able to go ahead and change the sales growth per month right in the profit and loss tab. That way you can go ahead and better customize your projections to make sure that your profit and loss and your pro formas fit your actual vision now, as compared to being a little bit limited to the financial model. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if you do buy my Hotshot business plan trucking business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with the basic financial model that is customized for the Hotshot trucking industry. I also do provide free business plan tutorials. I've got a few of them. If you go to this link right here, you can have access to those tutorials before or after you buy the product. There are some limitations in my business plan templates, regardless of which one you get, whether it be the Hotshot or any other trucking business plan template or any other template for that matter. It is not compatible with Google Docs. It's also not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make any of those changes. Also, if you have any questions or you want to have a discussion about the Hotshot business plan template before you buy it, be delighted to do so. Here's my phone. Send me a text, give me a call, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. I can go ahead and help you all best understand what to be expected in the financial model. Or the business plan template. Just keep in mind, though, after you purchase the business plan template, there is no free phone support. So after you buy it, if you need some help with the template, you want me to fill it in for you, be delighted to do so, but I do charge for those services. All right, so if you are interested in buying my Hotshot business plan template, the link is right here. Go ahead and feel free to go to it, and once you purchase it, it is immediately available to download. And also, on a final note, if y'all don't want to mess with templates and you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your pro forma financial projections, I do offer custom business plan writing and custom pro forma financial projection services. Just visit my prices page right here, or again, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and we can have a great conversation how I can provide custom business plan writing services for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.